Dear student, topic for this section is function count. Function count is the metric for size estimation of the software product. Alan Arbacite, while working for IBM, recognized the problem in size measurement in 1970s, and he's developed the technique that is called as the function point analysis, which appear to be a solution to the size measurement problem. It measures the functionality from the user point of view, that is on the basis of what user requests and receives in return. So therefore it deals with the functionality being delivered, not with the lines of code or source modules. Okay, so this functional the advantage of this function count is it is independent of the language, means in which language you have developed your software product, it doesn't matter. For this function count, the function count is same for all the languages. So this makes the sense to user, because the object is to buy on accounting system, not the lines of assembler. Okay, so the here the FPA is decomposed into 5 functional units, that is inputs, outputs, inquiries, internal logical files and external interfaces files. So inputs means information entering in the system, outputs means information leaving the system, inquiries means the request for instant access to information, means if you want to retrieve the information from the system, internal logical files means information held within the system, and external interface files means information held by other system that is used by the system. Okay, so this 5 functional unit is, this is the diagram for FPA functional units. This is the user which gives inputs and it gets the output from the system. This is the system. Another user inquires that system and gives the response and get the response. So this arrow is bidirectional, and this is the other application which consists of EIF, and this is consists of ILF. So according to this diagram, the 5 functional units are divided into 2 categories, that is data function types and transactional function type. Okay, so data function type is having 2 types: internal logical files. It is a user identifiable group of logically related data or control information maintained within the system. Means the data and the control information which is maintained in the system is called as the internal logical files. External logical files means the files or a group of logically related data or control information that is stored into the another system, but that is referenced by this current system. Okay, next is a transactional function types. So it consists of external input. EI is a process data or control information that comes from outside the system. Okay, so that is the external input. External output means which are getting from the system the data or control information that is sent outside the system. And external inquiry means an inquiry is an elementary process that is made up of an input and output combination and which is used for the data retrieval. Okay, so the features of this function point is, function point approach is independent of the language, tools or methodology that is used for the implementation. Second is function points can be estimated from requirement specification or design specification. Third is function points are directly linked to the statement of requirement. Okay, it is linked to the statement of requirement. That is why if requirements are changed, then according to that function points are changed. Okay, and the last point is function points are based on the system user's external view, means it gives the count in terms of functions, okay, not in terms of line of code. So this is about function point. In the next section we will see how we count the function points. Okay, thank you.